In this video, we are going to see how we can create a new company and start a new project from scratch. But first of all, we are already in a sample company. So if we want to close out of here, just go to the file menu and from here, just select close company right here. And there we have the main screen. Here, just click on this create a new company option. It will show you that this is a wizard which will ask different questions about your business type, about the accounting method that you want to follow, accounting periods or fiscal year. This looks pretty much the same like you see in Peachtree if you have used it before. So let's click on next. And here you can enter all the company information like company name, address line, and all the other fields. But the ones with static is the required field or compulsory field. And you can fill in all the other information later on. So in this complete software, we will work on a practical project. And our first company project is Elite Traders, in which we are taking an example that the company was operating for many years, but they were either working on some other software or manually, and now they are planning to shift on Sage 50 accounting software. So we need to transfer the last year closing balances as an opening balances for this new year. So how will the complete procedure work and how the day-to-day operations along with the inventory work, we will completely see that. So let's continue with the company creation. We'll just copy the name here and paste it right here. Now the later information we can fill in as we get it in the future. Business type is sole proprietorship and click next. Now here it will ask you select a method to create your company. This is basically about your chart of accounts preference. If you want to use the pre-generated chart of accounts or you want to transfer from another accounting company or whatever you want to do. So the first option is use a sample business type that closely matches your company. Most companies choose this, it is mentioned here. That's because it will just ask you for the specific business type and it will automatically create all the chart of accounts related to that specific business. After that, if you need to customize some of them according to your business, you can just simply customize that and later you will keep it as it is. You can also copy the setting from an existing Sage 50 accounting company. Let's say I already have a working company in Sage 50 where I have created all the chart of accounts, so I can just copy the chart of accounts from that company as well. Third option is convert a company from any other accounting program. You can do that as well. And the fourth option is build your own chart of accounts. So this is designed for accountants and advanced users only, although it is a great feature which allows you to completely set the chart of accounts from scratch. But at this specific stage, I don't prefer this because I'll just select a business type and then customize the chart of account according to my business. So that's best. To select the first option, click next. And here it will show you all the business types. Now this business is a retail company which buys and sell car parts. So you can either select the simplified type where we just mentioned that either it is a construction company, retail company or whatever, or you can also choose the detailed types in which we will specify exactly what is the nature of the business. So it has auto repair shop, automobile dealer, daycare center, dentist office. So if we have any particular business that exactly matches our particular business type, we can choose that. Otherwise, we can use the generic type. Let's say this retail company. I'll just continue with that. Click next. The next one is choose an accounting method. Accrual method. Now we already know what accrual method is and how it records the income and expenses. It's mentioned here as well. You can read all of this details, but just to let you know that most businesses only works on accrual method, not on the cash one. So let's continue with the next one. But if you want to learn more about accrual and cash accounting method, I have attached the document of Word with the link of this video. So you can just read through all of this. It explains you all the scenarios and examples in which the accrual method works and how the cash accounting method works. So I advise you to read through it if you don't know the concept of accrual. All right, let's continue with the next one. Click next. Now it says how you want the posting method to work. Real time means each transaction is posted as it is entered and saved. So most companies choose this. Batch transaction is we save the transactions and then post it as a group. So some companies prefer that one as well. So it's according to your preference, but I'll just continue with the first one, which is preferred. Click next. And normally we have a 12 monthly accounting period per year. Again, most companies choose this. It might be different, but I'll continue with this one. Click next. And now it says choose the first period of your fiscal year, which is January. So most companies start in January, but if your region or your country follows some different fiscal years, you can change and customize it accordingly. Click next and we are ready. Now it says based on your configuration, the company will be created. So let's click finish and click OK. It will take some time to create the company. And once it is done, it will land you to this main interface just like this. So that's how we set up and create a new company in Sage 50. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.